Today we're going to learn page 70, track 89, words with U-L-E. Now let's begin. Mule, M-U-L-E, mule. Please repeat after me. Mule, M-U-L-E, mule. Rule, R-U-L-E, rule. Please repeat after me. Rule, R-U-L-E, rule. On the lower part of page 70, say, trace, and write. Please don't forget to give a space before you write a word. On page 71, read, circle, and write. Number 1, rule, rule. Number 2, mule, mule. On the lower part of page 71, track number 91, listen and circle. Number 1, mule, mule. Number 2, rule, rule. On page 72, track 92, listen and circle. Number 1, tune, tune. Number 2, rule, rule. And number 3, dune, dune. On the bottom part of page 72, read, circle, and write. Number 1, a mule goes to the hut. A mule goes to the hut. Number 2, a man is on a dune. A man is on a dune. Number 3, in June I go to the lake. In June I go to the lake. On page 73, read the story. It is June. A mule goes to a dune. The mule sees the rule by the dune. I don't like the rule, says the mule. There is a tune around the dune. I like the tune, says the mule. On the bottom part of the story, answer the question. 1 mule, 2 tune, goes to a dune. 1 mule, 2 tune, goes to a dune. Thank you. That's all for today.